Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat. The vehicle didn't come with a remote car starter, LED lights, or a tailgate light bar, but Avenue Sound made it happen. We did a remote car starter right off the factory remote. I'm going to go ahead and show you the lights. That's low beam and fog lights, hyper white LED. Now hop around back and I'm going to show you all the functions of the tailgate light bar. We got right signal, left signal, brake, and reverse. And if you notice, it looks like one solid LED strip. Again, this was done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram.